So, that's a really good question. Even though the land here has been sold out since the 1920s, there are still people who have owned these lots for ages. There are still family members being buried here. I think the last time I understood, there is about one burial per month in this cemetery still. And I understand there was one just last week. We are here to see George Perkins. George Perkins was born in 1840. He served as a private in Company B of the 31st Iowa Infantry from 1863 to 1864. He purchased a newspaper from Mahlon Gore and founded the Sioux City Journal in 1869. That would be, the Sioux City Journal had been actually established in 1864. Perkins bought it in 69, and in 1870 turned the journal into a daily newspaper. George and his brother H.A. Perkins together organized the Perkins Brothers Company, one of the most inclusive printing plants in Iowa. That's printers, lithographers, engravers, binders, and publishers. Perkins served one term in the Iowa Senate, starting in 1863, and 4 terms in Congress from 1891 to 1899. While in Congress, he obtained authorization for the Floyd Monument appropriation, and for the United States Post Office, which is our current City Hall. He ran unsuccessfully for governor in 1906. He also served as Commissioner of Immigration for Iowa for 2 years, and served as U.S. Marshal for Northern Iowa. And now,